next thing here, feature-driven pattern. If you've taken the time to put patterns in a part file, and then you bring that part file into an assembly, you can reuse that pattern again to help with assembling your components. A lot of people do this with bolts, nuts, screws, that kind of thing. So let me show that one to you. All right. And go back one. And I think it's this one. Where is it? There it is. Mates. All right. So here we go. We have this, I don't know, widget here. And we've got this particular bolt is being placed in these holes right here. Now I could do a circular pattern. I could go through and put more instances in and mate them all. But because this particular component, if I look at it, it has a circular pattern right here built into it for these holes. So I can reuse this circular pattern now. And the way you do that is called feature-driven component pattern. Click it, tell it which components you want patterned. That would be this bolt right here. If you had washers, whatever, you could add those to it. What is the driving feature? The driving feature is going to be the pattern from your part. So you could go and find it in your model tree, or you can just click on it and they'll find it for you. We found this circular pattern right here. You can do instances to skip if you wanted to. You can propagate component level visual properties. So if you had cosmetic threads or anything like that, you could bring those in as well. And we'll go ahead and say OK to that. And just like that, we have our pattern. The nice thing about this is if someone would come in and edit the cover plates pattern, let's edit it and let's do 5. Say OK. And let's do a rebuild here. Gonna do it. There we go. Once I hit the rebuild, you'll see now I have 5 of my screws as well. So it will update their spacing and it will keep them in alignment, and it will increase quantity or decrease quantity as needed. Which is pretty handy.